Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into your Apple ID and have calendars enabled in account so syncing works. Once done, open the Calendar app and choose or create the default calendar where new events will land. Make sure iCloud syncing is turned on for calendars so entries appear on all devices. This step prevents lost events and saves time later. It also establishes the correct account context before you create your first series of events. You now create and refine events. Tap the plus button and enter title, time, location, and an alert. Repeat rules and travel time help automate reminders. Once created, assign the event to a color-coded calendar or group to keep personal and work separate. This visual cue speeds scanning. If you need collaboration, add invitees and watch RSVP. This syncs via iCloud or your linked account. Make adjustments to privacy and default alert settings so future events. You finish by ensuring everything syncs and is shareable. Confirm iCloud calendars are enabled and force a refresh if entries don't appear. Sharing a calendar gives collaborators viewing or editing permissions. Once sharing is set, check default alert timing so you get notifications. If something goes wrong, toggle calendars off and on in accounts, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or verify network connectivity, because most calendar problems stem from sync or account issues. These quick fixes usually restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.